Hello guys, welcome to our channel Pharmatry. Today we came up with new interesting topic about career opportunities after PharmD or doctor of pharmacy. So guys, without wasting time, let's start our video with intro. A lot of people think about joining PharmD course, yet a doubt remains what is the difference between B Pharmacy and PharmD? To clarify the fact, PharmD has been designed with a patient oriented approach. As a matter of fact, students are trained as per the healthcare services. The students during the course of the degree learn to counsel patients, know about the drug actions, and study about the adverse drug reactions on those patients. To sum it all up, PharmD is a key to become a clinical pharmacist and serve the healthcare industry. Choosing this trailblazing sector is still a daunting task for many for they are not aware of its positives. Once you get to know what opportunities are appended to this field, you will be surprised. To make you know, we are here presenting a list of top 10 career opportunities after PharmD. First one is clinical pharmacist. The whole idea of this degree is to provide the candidates a status so unique that they would get a chance to work as a pharmacist and a doctor both at once. Clinical pharmacists have the role of optimizing medication, wellness, disease prevention, and healthcare. The therapeutic use of medicine is regulated by clinical pharmacists only. This job profile repays heavily, not only in India but in countries like the US, Canada, and UK. Australia, the job profile has a voluminous scope. Considering this point, there is a green light for opting PharmD. Next one is analytical chemist. The chemical composition of any matter is studied by the analytical chemists. It is yet another promising job option which could be unlocked with the help of PharmD degree. In order to become suitable for the job, the candidates should be well versed with the bioanalysis, forensic science, environmental analysis, clinical analysis, and material analysis. Primarily, the role of an analytical chemist is to study the composition and behavior of different salt substances. The pursuit of PharmD can assure you a well-reputed job as an analytical chemist. Next one is clinical research. In hospitals or clinical research organizations, PharmD graduates are required to perform different research activities so as come up with new solutions. The candidates have different roles in the clinical research sector. For example, one of the roles is finding out the genetic makeup of the patients and how that combines with the specific drugs. Another very important role under this title is of therapeutic drug monitoring. Next one is medical writer. Sounding as a very simple profession, it is one of the most recompensing jobs in the field of pharmacy. With the PharmD degree, the candidates are eligible to become one. The key roles of a medical writer include working in association with doctors or personnel from pharmacovigilance, project management so as to prepare accurate and cost-effective scientific documents. Medical writers are much desired on global platforms. Countries like the US, UK, Canada, etc. receive PharmD graduates very well. Consequently, by knowing how the student exchange program works, the student can go abroad to study and get settled. Next one is quality control officers. In pharmaceutical companies, there is a post of quality control officer who ensures that every medicine or pharmaceutical product is made as per the prescribed standards. After a PharmD degree, the candidates can work as a quality control officers in this promising job area. Pharmacovigilance Associate. PharmD associates have different roles during the development and testing of new medications. In fact, pharmacovigilance associates are also desired by the clinical research organizations for the purpose of testing the adverse drug effects on different patients. In pharmaceutical industries, also there are openings for pharmacovigilance associates who keep a check on the safety of drugs being manufactured. Next one is pharmacoeconomics researcher. Pharmacoeconomics is a discipline which combines the postulates of economics and pharmacy. Under this research, the cost and effect of one therapeutic drug are compared to another. Their evaluations can be categorized as cost effective, cost analysis, and cost utility. Next one is community pharmacist. PharmD graduates can work as a community pharmacist and play a vital role in uplifting the community health. The community pharmacists impart information about medical drugs and their usage to the people. Drug inspector. Drug inspectors are responsible for licensing and regulating the use of sales of drugs. To be a drug inspector, one needs to appear in the relative government exam. It is another remunerative occupation which helps the student in pursuing a bright future. Next, teachers or professors. For those seeking to join the academic front, PharmD can help them very well. After this degree, the candidates can work as teachers in pharmacy or other related curriculum educational institutes. The students can also explore the opportunities for further studies in India or abroad. PharmD is a sea full of options which have not been explored by many. It is a very appealing postgraduate degree for those who aspire to pursue something other than the engineering courses. Doctor of Pharmacy builds a bridge between the students and a better, brighter tomorrow, believing and deciding that you want to stay in the field for the long term. The instant you choose the PharmD is the initiation of your success story. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment.
Thank you so much friends for watching this video. If you like video, please make like button blue and make red subscribe button white or black. Press bell icon to be notified for our upcoming videos and do share to all your friends and make them to be my friends. To be with us in contact, please join our Telegram channel. Check the link in description.